All right, so this is a way to play a game while you're reviewing for different content. So within this lesson, we're learning about the fitness components. Within the fitness components, there is muscular endurance, muscular strength, flexibility, and muscular or cardiovascular endurance. And we have been working on these for a while, so it's time to review just to kind of be able to assess where everyone's learning is currently sitting and if I need to go back and reteach something. So some of the questions that will be asked won't say what the fitness component is, but rather it'll give a issue with the particular person, and then the students are going to have to choose what fitness component best fits that situation. So if I go to practice, I can see that Bill wants to be able, it's kind of the way it's set up. This would be the classic mode. Bill wants to be able to do more push-ups, so he has decided to do 10 a day for a week, then increase that number each week. What fitness component will Bill be working on? So I'll click endurance, and then you can click continue. If I do the wrong answer, it'll tell me that it is incorrect, and then you can still continue. But one thing I do like about this is there are lots of different options. So if I wanted to play live, I could choose the classic view, which is what you just saw, or we can do something different like the farm chain. Those are the 2D ones. And so if I picked that and hit continue, this is where the settings will come in. And so if you want team types, you have cooperative, free for all, so that each person's doing it on their own. And then the game duration. I always choose the nickname generator just because it does keep students from being able to put in inappropriate answers. So, and you can allow them to join late or not, totally up to you. Once that is all done, then it will generate a code for your students to be able to log in so that you can play in class. You can also assign these kind of things for homework as well. So, and there's all kinds of different options for you to do. But once you have the game rolling, you're able to review, and it is a lot more fun than just your basic. Let's see. So if I go back, just to give you an idea of how you would create one, you would add new kit. So you would just click here and then you would name it whatever it is that you want to name it. I'm going to go into this one. If I want to add some questions, let's see. You can go to questions and answers. Whoops. I've got to go to edit first. So add a question. This is where you can choose multiple choice or text input. So that's totally up to you. You can add audio. You can add photograph. But let's say, what day of the week is it? You put the correct answer in, and you say Sunday. That is the correct answer. And then you add your question, and that's how it works. So there's many different ways you can import from a spreadsheet, create flashcards. So it's totally easy to use. It's very user-friendly, very simple. Some of the games I've realized can get a little tricky, and it's like a little bit of a learning curve. But again, this is a great way to review with your class and be able to